how to decide whether it's really time to quit the job or should I continue?
Yeah, so I think partly Monica covered, and in fact, I've gone through that experience myself recently. I was for a long time in American Express for 18 years. In my last role as CFO of MX India, and I just switched to Accenture. So it's a different world. So I can give you both sides, why to continue and probably continue quit as well. So as Monica mentioned, and Piyush Doshi in our last session covered very nicely, that the number of years experience divided by the number of jobs you have, if the ratio is going lower than 3, right, or lower than 2, then it's a very, very big watch out, right? I think that's so you can do the math, right, and then you can decide accordingly. So, and what it does is that in my own experience, as I'm interviewing so many people, in fact today I met 4 people, I can clearly make out that when people switch quickly, they lack depth. They like depth, they can talk words, I did this, but the moment you probe them, they're not able to answer because they have just moved around. And typically it does take time, 9 months, 6, 9 months to know the basics. Then you start shining, then you start delivering and you start reaping the benefits. So that cycle could be 2.5 years to 3 years. Again, it could vary. But this much time you must give to yourself to do justice, to best achieve what you want to achieve from that role. When to quit also is a point that when you figure out that are you learning, number one, to point the 3L what Sachin mentioned. Do you have, how do you see your career 5, 10 years down the line? Because are you coming into the comfort zone, right? And then are you being valued, respected, right? So that's where I think sometimes the comfort zone could really outweigh your decision, that everything is going fine, thik chal raha hai, why? A lot of people ask me that you're already doing so well. Priti asked me as well, we were together in MX. But somewhere I must tell you that the change brings so much of freshness. It really opens new doors. It opens up possibilities. So there is a merit for certainly changing and quitting to do something different to open new doors, as Sachin mentioned. At the same time, there is a merit for depth. I will keep one brief thing. I think we will not be cover every aspect here. There's a book, nice, very simple book called Catalyst by Chandramouli Venkatesan. It's a very simple read. I highly recommend. It's a 200 rupees, simple read. In 3 hours, you can finish. I read that many often just to remind. And that's a very simple one for you to refer to.